Welcome to my channel. My name is May, and today I would like to share with you some information on a job. It is an independent contractor position. No phone is involved, and beginners are welcome. So sit back and relax, and I will share this information with you. Daily Transcription has been the leading provider of exceptional transcription and translation services for almost 2 decades. They provide services to entertainment, corporate, and legal industries, as well as academic institutions. The flexibility creates your schedule. You work where and whenever you want. Assignments are always paid weekly, whereas some competitors may pay biweekly or bi-monthly. They pay higher rates than their competitors. You will receive training, feedback, and coaching, collaborate with like minded others, and learn from the best. You'll spend more time with your family while you earn extra income for your household. They don't always guarantee a specific amount of work per day or per week, but their top transcriptionists can make anywhere from $350 to $1,250 per week. Daily Transcription is looking to hire work from home individuals, stay home mothers, fathers, students, part time teachers, writers, academics, or anyone who wants to supplement their income. You must be a highly detailed individual who is committed to perfection. You must be able to meet strict deadlines. Professionals, novices, and beginners are all welcome to apply. And how would you get started? You will click on the position you want to apply for, and you will be expected to pass a skills assessment transcription test. What is transcription? In a brief description, transcription writes or prints the representation of audio into a document or a text file. What does this job entail? As a freelancer, you'll be assigned work based on the time you sign up for on their scheduler. They'll send you a notification by way of email when the audio video files are ready for transcribing, and you will transcribe the files you are assigned once you log into the assignment directory folder. The media content, style, and subject, pay rate, and due date will all be listed up front so you can decide whether it is a good fit for you. They welcome professionals as well as novice and beginner transcriptionists. What equipment do you need? First, you need the internet. Transcription software such as Express Scribe is a free download, or otranscribe.com online. A pair of good headphones. A foot pedal is not required, but they highly recommend you have one. They provide transcription training by way of videos, style guides, a procedure document, and as many practice jobs as you require. Can I apply if I do not live in the U.S.? To apply as a transcriptionist, you must reside within the United States, Canada, or a native speaking English country. However, they will consider candidates for outside the United States and Canada for subtitling, captioner, and translation who are bilingual. To get started with daily transcription, you would choose the career of choice that you are interested in, and you will fill out the form, upload your resume, and once that's done, you will be redirected to their skill assessment test. Once you pass the skill assessment test, you will receive a link to the transcription test for your area of expertise. How will you get paid? They pay weekly, by check, direct deposit, or PayPal. Outside of the US or Canada, other payment arrangements can be made upon request. The age requirement is 18 years of age or older. Does it cost money to apply at Daily Transcription? No. They have no fees to apply or to start working with Daily Transcription. And how do taxes work? Translators, captioners, and transcribers are 1099 independent contractors. Therefore, Daily Transcription do not withhold taxes from your earnings. And after onboarding, you will be required to complete a W-9 or W-8, and you will receive a 1099 at the end of the year for tax purposes. Now scroll to the top and you will see the different openings. So if we're going to apply for a transcriptionist, you click here, captioner here, Spanish transcriptionist here. So we're going for transcriptionist. And once we're here, it says career English. And it will show you the different countries where they speak English, and they are also available in these countries. You will fill out this form, name, last name, email, where are you located, and you will probably pick whatever state you're in. Where did you hear about this opportunity? And you can choose something here. Attach your resume. So you'll choose your file here and attach it. In this area, you would type 200 to 500 characters explaining why you would like to work for Daily Transcription, and then click Submit. Daily Transcription HR team will only accept your test if you meet their strictest standards or are a course graduate. After completing the application, an automated email with the instructions for testing will be forwarded to you from no-reply@wufoo.com. Check your spam folder if you haven't received it in a few minutes. Then you can contact them at hr@dailytranscription.com with any issues submitting this form. Thank you for joining me today to hear of this great opportunity as an independent contractor. If you liked this video and you felt that it was of valuable information, please give it a thumbs up. And if you feel that you would like more information like this, subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you will be notified of more job opportunity like this one. And have a great rest of your day.